Welcome to this Green Tour project video, where we present inspiring stories about green and accessible tourism. This story includes the natural trail Nature Near Us from the Retezat National Park located in the village of Sălașul de Sus, Romania. Retezat National Park is among the first nationally recognized ecotourism destinations. The park is a protected area of inestimable value for the local flora and fauna. The Nature Near Us Trail is located in the courtyard of the Nucșoara Visitor Center in Nucșoara, village of Sălașul de Sus, Romania. The Nature Near Us Trail is equipped with access ramps, thresholds, and handrails for the visually impaired. Also, there are explanatory plaques in Braille about flora and fauna. The trail has a sensory structure through which you can feel nature, touching leaves and moldings of animals that naturally live in this altitude. Seasonally, you can taste and smell nature with access along the route to blueberry and raspberry bushes from which you can pick and eat fruit. There is also a sound map of Hatzeg region where you can listen to the sounds of nature and birds living in the area. At the top of the trail, there is a 360 degrees view over the Hatzeg region. Finally, we added some pictures about the beauty of the Retezat Mountains and the access path to the Nature Near Us Trail.